Hello everyone and welcome back to AW Programming and Lectures. In today's lecture, we will cover how to take input from user. So to take input from user, we need to declare a variable first. And to declare variable in Python, we just need to write the variable name. So let's just write temp. Temp is equal to input. Now let's write over here what we need to display. Let's write enter the number. Okay, so let's just now click enter and you can see it says enter the number. Now let's just enter the number. Let's enter 40 and you can see it is scanned. So now let's press the temp and see what we return. You can see it returns us 40, but you can see the codes over here. So what are these codes? uh, for if we input a number in Python, it takes the input in string format. So to take the input in integer format, what we can do is we can write temp is equal to int, then we can write input for taking the input. Now now we can write enter the number. So basically what I have done is I have taken the input in the string format and just converted it into the integer format. Just a simple example of typecasting. So now let's enter the number. Now let's try to enter 40 only. So now let's enter temp. As you can see, it displays 40, but there are no codes. So one can see that this variable is in integer type. Thank you everyone.